Hello everyone and welcome to our tutorial on how to create landing page using a phone. So I'm using the phone to create many landing pages, websites, apps, and I'm going to share the link on where you can also get the phone. So now let's continue. What is a landing page? A landing page is a standalone web page created specifically for a marketing campaign. So right now we are creating a landing page for an health and wellness company. So we are telling our ChatGPT now that okay, we need to create a landing page for an health and wellness company. That means a medical company that produce supplements, and this particular company now they produce high blood pressure product that cure high blood pressure, that cure hypertension and all, and the company is based in Nigeria. So we are going to give ChatGPT the company's name and the information that we need to give it, because we cannot just say it should create a landing page for us for health and wellness company without giving it details on what the landing page should be about. So the company's name is Nabam, and our product name is going to be Axilopine. Axilopine. So we are going to explain what the product is all about and what it does. So the product cures high blood pressure and also heart problems. So we are going to input it into ChatGPT. And there's something that must be included. I don't want anybody to miss this, because creating the landing page is because of a particular reason, right? So the reason for this landing page is because the company runs advert every day. So the landing page is going to have more traffic than normal because the company runs advert every day, right? And the people that will be visiting the website, the landing page, they are going to be placing order every single time. So we are going to have high traffic of people on the landing page. So that's the reason we should include it into the content so that ChatGPT will know what and what it should not contain, and we make the landing page strong. So this is the information like the ChatGPT is giving us. So this is the output we are getting from ChatGPT. It's giving us the CTA, which is the call to action, what the product is all about, why I chose the product company, the order form, place my order, frequently asked questions, lead collection workflow, and many things that is very important. And also we're going to add the details of the product, that okay, one bottle is 17.5, two bottles are so, three bottles are so that if anybody wants to place order, they will know that okay, if I am placing order for one bottle, this is the price. If I'm placing order for two bottles, there is a discount. If I'm placing order for three bottles, there is another discount, so that they will know the price of what they are placing order for. They will not just start placing order without having any idea about the price. So right now you are seeing that we are not just creating a landing page, we are creating a personalized landing page for the company. We are making people that will visit the website, that will visit the landing page, know more about the company and what they are about to buy. So we need a brand identity. The company needs a brand identity. It needs a logo, a color, a brand color, and lots more. So we can get this on Pinterest. If you know we are not using a particular company now, if at this we are using a particular company, we would have used the company's logo and brand identity, but we are just using this as a tutorial. So we can just go to Pinterest and get any brand identity, and that is the reason we have gotten one now. Okay, so this one we are going to attach it to our prompt, and like, okay, this is the brand identity. We want you to use the same color that they use in this thing. We want you to use the same font. We want you to use the same logo and lot more. So we are giving our AI, we are giving the ChatGPT more idea about the company. So it's not just going to give us any brand identity or just any color or just any logo. So it has an idea about what we want. We want this color, we want this logo, this is our mock-up, so. So we are now going to send this to our prompt to ChatGPT. We are going to send the prompt now. So can you see what it's bringing? The output. It already has idea about the brand color that we want, the layout, and everything that is needed. Behind every company must have a contact page, right? So now let's tell ChatGPT to give us a fake phone number and contact page, location, and lots more. So let's use a location as Lagos State, and then we need phone number, fake social media platform, and everything. So we just send it. Once we send it, it's going to suggest everything by itself. Okay, since we need a fake phone number, it's going to give us a fake phone number. It's going to give us a fake uh location, but the location is in Lagos State, but it's going to give us a fake address. So it's going to give us another fake social media platform and everything that's in there. At this point, we are using a real company. We would have used that company's social media platform, the website, the phone number, the email, and all. But we are just using this as a test. So we're not going to tell ChatGPT to give us the full file. We have been giving ChatGPT the prompts, different prompts since. Okay, now give us the full file, because it's the full file that will determine how our landing page will be. If you are creating this kind of website, please go to ChatGPT first to figure out your prompts. That's what you need. ChatGPT will give you many things. It will make sure that your prompt is standard. Then you can give the prompt to Claude. Don't build immediately on Claude. Then you tell Claude that okay, you want Claude to act as an experienced full stack developer or web designer, and also UI UX designer. That means you want the color, the layout to be very perfect, and also a creative designer. So all these prompts, we are going to get a very standard website. It's not going to be just an ordinary website or just a random website or just a random AI website. It's going to be a very full and well designed, and we are going to use Sonnet 5 thinking, especially if you are using a free version. But if you are not using a free version, you can use the Opus. So then you send it, and once you send it, can you see it's already giving us? So it's going to bring out questions for us. So the question are going to say, okay, our company is health and wellness company, and after that you are going to input your prompt to the second uh, question, because you already have the prompt available. You already know the color and everything, so just input it to the next question. So you can just copy and paste it to Claude, and then it's going to give us a response like an output. And this is our website. Now let's open and check it. I'm excited. Right now, you cannot get any information from the website. Nobody can fill anything inside because it has no backend, no form link here. So we're going to do that later. But let's check the website out. Can you see how beautiful it is? Okay. Can you see? So this is the mobile site. It has a WhatsApp toggle, and also it's very beautiful. But this is the mobile version of it. So now imagine how the desktop version is going to look like. So I want you to understand that this form now it's nothing. And the reason it is nothing is because there is no how we are going to get any information from this website. If you click on this, place my order, it's just going to give you the form. If you send anything, it's not going to lead anywhere. You are not going to see it. So even if anybody purchase or place order from this website, there's no way we are going to get the or their order. We are not going to see anything. So we need a form. We need something that okay, when they place order, we are going to receive it in our email, and that is where Web3 form and form spree comes in. Coming. So you are going to see the login, how to log into or how to create account on form spree and Web3 on this YouTube channel later. So I want you to give it a follow. But right now, let's just go and get the Web3 form. We need a particular link there. We need the HTML link. It's the link that we are going to attach to this website. Then we are going to get what we want. We are going to start receiving email. If anybody places order on this website, we are going to start receiving the email. Now let's go to Web3 form. So it's the Web3 form that we're going to log into. We're going to create a form link there and attach it to our website so that we can start receiving form from there. So now go to Web3 form. You log in. I have an account before. But I'm going to show you how I
You
created
verify that
this
you are
particular
human, and
account.
once you do, it's going to take you to where you are going to log in or you sign up. So let's verify. Okay, then we are going to continue with Google, and then voila, you are now on your Web3 dashboard. So then just scroll down to the HTML, JavaScript, React. And once you do, you copy the HTML link and paste it to your Claude where your website is. You paste it there. Right now, let's paste this. So we've pasted this, and this is the output. It's already attaching the Web3 form to our Claude, to our file that we created with Claude, to the website we created with Claude. So once anybody go into the link and send any message, the form that the person will fill, the how many do you want? I want three, I want so. We are going to receive it in our mail because we have already connected our Web3 form page to the mail, to the website. So we are going to start receiving every order from the website directly to our mail. So we have a website and we want it to go live. Making our website go live is the main reason for creating a website. But if you want to make your website go live, you need a domain. Domain is the .com. But we don't have money for domain. What do? We use any website that has a domain to offer, and Netlify has the domain to offer. So we are going to register on Netlify and be using netlify.com instead of nabams.com. It's going to be nabams.netlify.com. So this is our Netlify app. We are going to log into it, and let's log in. So once we log into Netlify, it's going to make sure our website is published by adding to project. We add it to project. The file that you already created, you will add it to your project. So once you add it, so let's go to browse files to upload. You add the file, and once you add it, you can also create any idea here. You can also create websites using this. There is Claude Agent there that you can use to create a website, but we have a website, right? So we want to just send. So we click on rename and deploy file, and when you send, it's going to give you a new link for your website. So your website is going to go live. Once anybody click that link, it's not just going to be the file that we created. It's now a live website. If you click on this link, you're going to see it there. So what do we do now? We now rename it to what we want. We want go to this change product name and then change it to okay. We want it to be Axelopin website. So it's going to be Axelopin website.netlify.app. So this is the website now. Anything that you do on this website, any order that you click on, if you order, I'm going to see it in my own email because we already connected Web3 form, right? Fine. So now if you click on any other, if you let's say okay, let's order now. Let's say okay, my name is Daniel, and last name is Adelaja. My phone number 0, then my state. Click on any state you want. Let's click Lagos. So that's my address. I want one bottle. Okay, let's choose 4. Then we send it. Once you send like that, I'm going to receive it straight in my DM and straight in my email. Fine. So now if you click on order now, you're going to see the you're going to see the form here. You check your spam and see it there.